guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we will be working on this Midoriya model kit. Now some of you may know My Hero Academia recently began airing its 5th season, and to get into the holiday spirit I wanted to work on my very first model kit. Now this is a very simple beginner kit that I got from Hobby Lobby on sale for $16. All of the pieces snap together and there are like little decal stickers included, so you really don't need any special tools or paint unless you really just want to go ham and be a little extra. Just like any model kit, it comes with these plates that hold all of the pieces, and for the love of God, do not do what I just did. So hold up. Before we continue, let's get one thing straight. When I started, I didn't know that each part number was on the plate and not the individual pieces. So when I was trying to be cute and lay all the pieces out on my table, I effectively lost track of which piece went to the corresponding instructions. So yeah, keep that in mind when you're trying to be cute and make an aesthetics video. Lucky for me, it was very easy to figure out. It's just that it set me back a good 15 or so minutes, but it's all good. So first things first, I began building the head, starting with the iconic Broccoli Boy hair, and then I added in the face stickers. I couldn't really get good placement with my tweezers, so I did it the old-fashioned way. So I placed the eyes and the eyebrows down, and they were looking pretty good, if I do say so myself. Then I got to the freckles and oh my god. Let me tell y'all, I wasn't even 10 minutes in before I started weeping. Anyway, the torso started coming along and the stickers on that went so smooth this time. I began to assemble the accessories on the torso, such as the shoulder plates and his obviously not copied, All Might inspired, Oogie Boogie looking boy. And boom! We got half a body. Okay, so it's 9 p.m. and I gotta work at 7 in the morning. So we're just gonna boogie woogie 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 through the rest of this. as I said before, this was a pretty easy build, and despite all my setbacks, it only took me about an hour to put everything together. So I highly encourage you guys to pick this figure up because it's very cheap and it's a very satisfying build. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!